Good morning, I'm about to pack boy's lunch. He's 5, but last time I packed his lunch, like a month ago, I guess, the GME stock went crazy. And literally, it swung $3,000 while I was, my portfolio swung $3,000 while I was making his lunch. So I thought it'd be fun to see how much it swings. We are 2 minutes to open, and I'm gonna start making lunch. Last time GME was on a tear, I made $12,000 and got out of the market. Whoa, look at that. Right at open. So we'll see if history repeats itself. Oh, that's crazy. There's the bell open. Lunch is progressing well. Looks like GameStop is not progressing as well as my lunch. Alright, looks like it's down. Looks like my portfolio is down $1,000 in the time it took me to make lunch. Let's hope the rest of the day is better.